the ground running long before the sun comes up. I'm a man on a mission, my honey's in the kitchen pouring coffee in my favorite cup. I'm racing out the door, jumping off the porch for the bills, I gotta get paid. From my boots to my Chevy, I'm rough, tough and ready. Son, I'm American made. I'm working and I'm praying, sweating and I'm breaking my back before the weekend hits. On the tractors and the farms, fences and the barns, and know how sweet it is. I'm a flag waving, God-fearing, honky-tonk, cold beer and Friday night goodnight kiss. Y'all call it what you want, it's a country boy's life well lived. From the factories and the mills to the prairies and the hills, there's a whole lot of fellas like me, just a climbing and a clawing, drilling and a sawing every day just to make ends meet. We're the 5 o'clock crowd, we love to get loud in our Wranglers and our pearl snap shirts. We're the salt of the earth, the heart of the land, and our blood is red as the dirt. We're working and a praying, sweating and a breaking our backs before the weekend hits. On the tractors and the farms, fences and the barns, and know how sweet it is. We're a flag waving, God-fearing, honky-tonk, cold beer and Friday.